Oh my gosh, this is one of the best, most amazing kept secrets, and I don't understand why more people aren't diving in and using this. And yes, this is a sponsored video, but I bought this plugin before they asked me because I was like playing with it and I was like, this is so awesome. Shh, I think I hear something. It's here. It's watching us. There's one tool that has totally helped me in animating faces and getting to a high quality result really fast. And that is AccuFACE 2 for iClone. AccuFACE 2 is taking it to the next level. It has been completely upgraded with some new AI tech in the background, which helps it recognize facial expressions way better. One of the things I've always struggled with is figuring out the best way to animate a face, and doing it by hand, yes, is possible, but it is so time consuming and hard. I can do the facial capture, and then after I can go in and fine tune it. They have a bunch of awesome tools to help you get better performances. They have the curve editor, which allows you to help modify the expressions and how much they come in and out. They also have this super handy audio tool that will transcribe what you say, and then it will animate your mouth shape and tongue to those sound shapes. So it's crazy because the Character Creator 5 characters are like perfect for this because it has 262 blend shapes and 128 corrective shapes. So you're gonna get way better results. You're able to get these more fine expressions. Reallusion has also released Ultra Head. It is a pack of a bunch of amazing high detailed character heads that you can use, and they of course work perfectly with AccuFACE 2. Another really cool thing is you don't have to calibrate your face anymore. So in the past you had to do like this, all these, expressions to calibrate the camera with the character. You don't even need to do that anymore. Now you just look at the camera and you say, grab neutral expression, and boom, boom, boom. You're able to capture your performance really quick. So that way you're never slowing down. One of the hard things in doing any of this type of stuff is you're constantly having to overcome technical problems to get to the creative. So I slur a lot when I talk, and it's something I'm working on, but with AccuFACE 2, the cool part is it picks up on all these subtle things, and sometimes when I talk really fast, I was blown away that it actually was able to capture the speed in which I was able to do it. Not only that, is I can adjust it too. So maybe if I'm being a little too fast and I need to adjust some of it, I can. And with the AccuLips, it makes it even better because there are things that sometimes we don't quite catch with our eye, like the way our tongue moves when we're saying thanks and all these other little things. The cool part is with AccuLips, you can go in and you can dial in the amount of mouth movement, lip movement, and tongue movement. So this makes it so that you can really dial in that performance and get the most out of what you're trying to do. So another really cool thing is, let's say you filmed a full body performance, but you were just trying to capture your facial expressions. They've made it so you don't have to be sitting maybe like the way I am right now and just capture like a face or just have like a face on your phone. They made it so that you can just do a full body, like you could be standing far back and it would hone in on just your face. So the cool thing is you're not just stuck with the raw data, but now they have a curve system that allows you to add these curves so that you can add multiple expressions within something. So for example, sometimes when people lift their eyebrows up, maybe their ears will move with them. You're able to get in there and control and fine tune these expressions. That is something that normally you maybe have to go in and hand animate, but AccuFACE 2 makes it so much easier, again, to overcome some of these little teeny details and technical stuff that you don't have to worry about as an artist. So sometimes you don't have the best lighting, but the cool thing is with the AI tools underneath the hood, it allows you to get really good tracking even if you don't have a nice studio setup. The other cool thing about AccuFACE 2 is they have these really cool denoising strength and smoothing options. So this is gonna help maybe if you have like a little flickering happening and you're like, why is the face like glitching? You can go in and turn on some denoising, some smoothing, things like that that might be ruining your performance. AccuFACE 2 has also been optimized for NVIDIA's RTX and AMD. So you're gonna be able to run this thing quick. And again, just getting past all these little technical things so that you as an artist can focus on the performance, the animation, the creativity. That's what I love about Reallusion and their tools. I've been completely blown away with not only Character Creator and all of the awesome assets and just the way it's built, but also how it fits into my pipeline. I can directly link these characters to my Blender characters, saving me hours. They are fully rigged. I can import the animations directly from iClone and update them anytime I need to. I can share animations between characters. This has just been something that has sped up the process for me tenfold. It is seriously so much fun. It's like the only way I can express it. It is so much fun to make these characters and then animate them and watch them come alive and then just move your camera around in Blender and build a world. Anyway, I absolutely love AccuFACE and I know you guys will too, so go check it out.